So number 3 then, from paper 2, the 2025 Advanced Higher Maths. 3 marks, little partial fractions question. It's a very straightforward one. Look, the denominator's already been factorised for you, showing that you've got these 3 different linear factors, which means it'll simply break up into, and it's also a proper rational expression, because the degree of the top there, 2, is bigger than the bottom, which is 3. So it will be one little fraction for that denominator, one little fraction for that denominator, and one little fraction for that denominator, where the numerators are all just constants of a degree less. Now, all you need to do is put that back into this form and you can equate the numerators. So if you were to put that back into this single fraction, a would have to be multiplied by those 2. So a times x minus 3x plus 5. Ooh, I'm going to run out. B would have to get multiplied by those 2. X minus 1, x plus 5. And C would have to be multiplied by those 2. X minus 1, x minus 3. And when you add that lot back up, it should produce the same numerator. 2x squared minus 18x plus 4. That's not running out, there must be something there. Now, you could multiply that all out and tidy it up into a quadratic the same as that, and then equate the corresponding terms. The x squared is equal to x squareds. The x is equal to x's, the constants constants. But you can just use that little trick of the knockout. To find a, put in x equals 1, because that will get rid of them. 1 take away 1, those terms would disappear. So that means, there's just lots of arithmetic now. So that means you've got a multiplied by, that would be a negative 2, that would be a 6, and over here that would be 2 times, well that's a 1, I'll just put it like that. 18 times, it's also a 1, I could just go straight in, plus 4. So altogether you've got negative 12a equals, there's 6 away from that 18, so that's negative 12, which makes a very nice little 1. Same for the b, make x equal to 3, because that will knock out the other 2, because those 2 terms would become 0. So b times, now putting 3 into that, that will be a 2 times an 8, and on this side I've got a 2 times a 9 minus an 18 times a 3, well it's getting quite big, plus the 4. So you've got 16 lots of a, and then you've got 18, 22, but that's 54, so that will leave you with a negative 32, which means that a equals I made a mess of this, eh? B equals negative 2. And same for C. Make x equal negative 5. So you've got C times, and you put it in there, take away 1, negative 6. Ooh. Negative 8. And that'll be 2 times, but that'll be positive 25, and that'll be plus 18 times the 5 plus 4. So you've got here 48 C. Oh, see why I put that down, because A caught my eye there. That should be a B. 48 C equals 50 plus, that's 90 plus 4. Oh, better, I'll just put it down here. So that's 144, which means that C will be, well that's 3 of them, C will be 3. Just lots of numerical plod before you can finally put it all together. So I've got one of them, 1 over x minus 1, but minus, so I'll put that at the front there, minus 2 over x minus 3 plus 3 over the x plus 5. Poor.